What are Legos used for? Legos are used as toys to play with. Playing with Legos helps improve both children's and adults' critical thinking and socialization skills, and Legos are often used in therapy to help relax and calm people. Why are Legos important? Legos are important as they inspire creativity through hands-on play, and they promote imagination and help develop motor skills. When were Legos created? Legos were invented during the year 1949. They were formed through a machine that molded hot plastic into a brick shape with studs at the top. Why were Legos invented? Toys during the 1930s to 1940s had no system of play. All toys were pre-made and simply handed to the child. Legos had a system of instructions and packaged bricks. What was life like before Legos? Before Legos, no toys had a clear system. Who invented Legos? Ulrich Christensen, alongside his son Gottfried, invented Legos alongside his wooden toys. His family even still owns the business today. Where did the inventor live? Ulrich Christensen lived in Filskov, Denmark with his family. What are some interesting facts about the inventor? Christensen created the name of his company, Lego, from a Danish phrase that reads "leg godt," which means play well. How do Legos work? Legos have an interlocking system so you can connect 2 or more Lego bricks to each other. You can even buy a Lego set where it'll give you detailed instructions and all the pieces you need to build and finish your Lego. You can also build anything you want with Legos. What parts do Legos have? Legos have different parts inside the bricks, such as the studs, 2 boxes, one bigger, one smaller, the bottom rim, and the grips. What makes Legos function? Its interlocking system helps the Legos stick to each other. How have Legos improved or changed? When Legos first started, they had no connecting system and had a hollow bottom. Now Legos have an interconnecting system on the bottom. What are the differences between early and modern Legos? Old Legos also had grooves alongside of the Lego and a hollow bottom. Now the new Lego design is more polished. How do people use Legos today? A lot of people buy and build Lego sets. However, there are also a lot of people who build insane Lego builds. How have Legos helped society? Legos have been used in therapy and relaxation and help children and adults with critical thinking and socialization skills. What would life be like without Legos? A lot of toys would probably not have been inspired by Legos to give toys a system, and we might have never even had building blocks today. Here are some fun or surprising facts about Legos. A 2x4 Lego brick can survive about 950 pounds of force. Interesting uses or records. Lego is the world's largest tire manufacturer by volume.